Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use forums within Zoho Project, your 2025 full guide. Let's start by opening up your Zoho project. From your dashboard, you'll notice the Forums tab on the left side navigation menu. Click on it. This is where all your project discussions will take place, a critical communication tool for your team. Now that we've done that, look at the top right corner of the screen. There's a New Topic button. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a page where you can start a new discussion. It's important to know how to initiate topics, as this is your way of starting conversations about your projects with your team. Next up, you need to fill in the details of your topic. Start by giving your topic a clear subject, then move on to the message body, where you can provide more detailed information. The reason we do this is to ensure your team members have a clear understanding of what the topic is about. Once you've filled in the details, you'll notice an Attach Files option below. This is your chance to attach any files or documents relevant to the topic. This helps us because it allows you to share vital project materials in context with the discussion. After you've attached your files, simply click on the Post Topic button at the bottom of the page. And voila, your topic is now live and available for your team to participate in. Let me explain why this matters. Forums within Zoho Project provide a centralized communication platform where you can discuss, brainstorm, and share ideas with your team. It's a great way to keep everyone on the same page and facilitate collaboration. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide on how to use forums within Zoho Project. Remember, effective communication is key to successful project management, and Zoho's forum feature is here to help you achieve just that. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy project managing.